without wasting any time, let's start with how to force reboot. So let's imagine that your phone is stuck after an iOS update. That's what often happens, by the way. Before thinking about a hard reset, I recommend you to restart your device, and most of the time it will be the solution. So to force a reboot, you need to push on the volume up, volume down, and push the side button and keep holding the side button. And when the screen goes black, you just need to release the side button. And now the phone is going into the reboot process. Perfect. So as you can see, now the phone is on, and it is maybe the solution for your problem.